everybody, welcome back to StarGirl Beauty channel. If this is the first time you're here, thank you so much for coming by, tuning in and watching our video. And if you have already subscribed, as usual, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channel and watching my videos. Alright, so today I have another BB cream first impression tried on for you guys. The reason that I love foundation and CC BB cream is also because this is kind of very essential. It is like the basic of my face. The Secret Key Finish Up BB cream. Look at it, is a black box, quite nice. So I bought this one from YesStyle. Today I am using the Becca. This is a very renowned, famous, best-selling Becca Backstage Priming Filter. You know, it's like one of those. There is a beige version and there is a lavender version. I prefer the lavender much better because it really brightens up all my pigmentation, dark spots and all those. As usual, I'll just do both application also and see if there is even a difference. Okay, so I'm just going to use my finger to do one side. Alright, so this one also is very grayish when it comes out. Alright, so can you tell the difference? One side I have a little bit coverage, this side it's bare face. Very hydrating, very nice. So it's definitely no problem if I were to just use my hand to blend it out. No problem. Very smooth, very hydrating. Now let's use the other side. Now let's do the other side with my blender. Okay, so now I've done both sides. Now I feel like I think my makeup sponge did shear it out a little bit, but I can tell you, yes, there is a difference. You may not be able to see it on the camera, but because this BB cream by itself is the coverage is sheer, very sheer coverage, this BB cream. So it is just like normal BB cream. I would say this is a normal BB cream, not, you know, like that. Right, so once you blend it out, you're going not to be probably not, yeah, really light coverage. So the main thing is going to be a skincare product, I would say. So this, it says that this BB cream sustains bright skin tone all day long with excellent coverage effect, caring fresh skin with no lifting and oiliness. What does it mean? I think what it means is no wearing out or oiliness. I would use this as a almost like a primer, has a little bit coverage primer, or I would just really use this to mix with any of my foundation, any of the foundation sitting on my desk, L'Oreal, Smashbox or Tarte, anything. I'll just mix my foundation to get more coverage. Or some of you doesn't have much to cover, you're not like me, then you're going to be very happy because it's a very smooth, very hydrating product. That's why I say it again, I would really treat it more like a skincare product rather than a makeup product. So I want to give you a little bit more detail on this product. Now this is a Secret Key Finish Up BB cream, so it doesn't claim anything else. Straight up BB cream. The size is 1 fluid ounce, 30 millimeter, very standard. Does it totally cover dark spots? If you are like me, you have a more pigmentation, you're not going to be too happy with the coverage, but I think it's okay. You know, like depends. If you want 100% coverage, you wouldn't even go for BB cream to begin with. But if you are someone that like BB cream, you already know they're not like going to be like your foundation, and you know what, well, you know what you're getting. It's like very even out, it's very natural. It's really just like your own skin with a little bit coverage, but the moisturization, it's great. The hydrating property, it's wonderful. You're going to feel very comfortable, very fast, convenient, easy. In the morning, do your skincare. After your sunscreen, just slap it on, move it all around, splatter it all around, and then you're done. So very easy to use. What is the SPF on this product? Does it say? Doesn't really mention anything about SPF, unfortunately. So make sure you have your sunscreen on before you go into this BB cream. It has a combination of 5 roots and veggies to help to firm up your skin and improve your elasticity. Does this one remind you of something? Last time I just did one of these, right? The maker, the Appeal BB maker. Then this is a secret key. Now this one does say it has SPF 30 and this one doesn't say, but the description is 90% similar. Both says adhesive texture to promote moist and radiant looking skin. Both says that it has 5 roots and veggies in the skincare to promote firm skin and elasticity. So I don't know what is the trick. This is secret key, this is Appeal. Why are they so similar? I think I paid like about $6 from YesStyle last time when I bought it. Now I don't know the price, you might want to check it, but it's somewhere around there. Now, but this product has pretty good review. The star rating on YesStyle is 95.4%. Yeah, very, very great looking BB cream, okay? Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, there is no scent at all, zero. Even when I am applying it or after a while, absolutely nothing. You won't be able to smell anything at all. Shade range as usual, but this one at least you have 2 or 3. I don't remember how many to pick on, but this one has 0. Just like the first generation BB cream that is like one size fit all, so no choice at all. In case you're interested in this brand, Secret Key, when you look at their stuff, their best-selling product, it's including, they have a starting treatment essence. You know, it's like the SK2 and the Misha Time Revolution, those toner treatment essence, that kind. That was very, very best-selling, and people actually really, really love it. Great review on their product. So if you're buying a Secret Key BB cream, you might want to look into skincare, then pay attention to their treatment essence slash toner. And then their other best-selling product is their Snail repairing skincare line, a very good Korean brand like COSRX. The price is not outrageous, quite reasonable, and they have a wide range of products to choose from. Not only the BB cream, tons of skincare, and it's been around for a long time. People really love it. People like their product. Let's say you don't want to have these finish up BB cream, you have 3 others to choose from, same brand, Secret Key. The other one that I think I'll buy it next time, it's to try it also, it's Secret Key Let Me Know CC cream, and it has SPF 50, and it's also around $7. And then the second alternative you get is a Secret Key Cover Up Skin Perfector. Now this Cover Up Skin Perfector does have a choice. You have either number 21 or number 23, and then the third alternative, it is a V-Line Lift Up CC cream, and that one also has SPF 50. I don't think I will need a makeup sponge. I'll just use my hand and spread it out, just because it's so creamy, it's so easy to blend, very blendable product, so I like that. And so far there is no oxidation. I don't think you need any primer. If you are going to just go out really quick, just use your sunscreen, finish your daytime routine, and then sunscreen, and then you can go in this BB cream straight. Not really. Yeah, but I'm now just like blotting out my natural oil. So I'm now going to be drier. I probably need some spray on. But in terms of the color, I don't see any color coming out from the napkins. So that's good, no transferring. I don't think you need primer. I don't think you need powder. That's really good. That's why I said it's just so easy, so convenient, so fast. Perfect. So that's all that I want to share with you about these Secret Key Finish Up BB Cream Blemish Balm Cream. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this BB cream. Because there are quite a few of you that are really like BB cream, CC cream kind of stuff, you know. So I am acquiring more, and I just wanted to try more foundation. You know, I'm not too big on doing a lot of makeup because I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know what I'm doing. So thank you one more time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to be the star of the show. Thank you.